Hey, man. Yeah, man, the notorious B.I.G. Baby, let me get some juice, please. Good morning, people. 100, 200, 200, 300, 300, 400, 400. Blood clot, like and share this. I want the rest out of it. Yo, hey, you know some parents are psycho? Me not ask you, me I tell you. Morning. Good morning, people. Good morning, good morning. We're going to talk about crack and doing right now, cause yo. Nobody can tell me say I'm a crack and doing one sign of dog. Brother, listen. J. Code, me say, I have to crack. This man depend hard. Me say, you say Illuminati? Me tell you something about Illuminati, dog. Illuminati turn in a blood clot idiot in a jail. You say Illuminati? Guys, the truth is, man, it's one thing you have to wonder, yo. Why pretty? Me have to wake up with the meds because I want to tell you why me did telling you say this LGBTQ thing did have a fuck up the place. You see me at the kind of place fuck up right now, you know. Me did telling you say this LGBTQ did not mash up the place because they want to carry it in a school them. They want to carry it going at this year. So now when they are born with cocky, you have to keep cocky. You can't just chop off hood and turn hood in a pussy. You feel me? I deal with the LGBT. Me no say nothing in a big up because everybody are gonna say, oh, pretty, you don't say I was sodomite. Pretty, you don't say I'm lesbian. Who never hear me one up to the lady sit there, you march up and down with the Nigerian do fuck them are going on the night party club them G code. Never. Always there in a nice dwelling, a whole little one, in a little corner, bounce and I enjoy myself. You feel me? I deal against regular human being G code. You see me I deal with? Let me tell you a thing. Me not bash no man, you know, because remember, you know, me born or me born. When the doctor then go so, and tell my mother say, I saw your pitney, I go, you see me, your pitney have this, and we have to go chop off that. Couple surgery well. You see me? She don't know what go on already because these surgeries and the doctor then done say pretty I go be this and pretty I go be that. You see sitting now. So we go so boom now we say alright. What go be the come of this? Oh my mother go do it. So one time me about go you know me team, my mother say, oh, me never hear you talk about no boyfriend yet and rare. Me I say, mommy, this is the unfoldment I want to go on, you see me? Which my mother don't know already because of how me did born and rare. But guess what? You see at the end of the day, me never yet come to my mother and tell my mother call me Steve. Me never tell my mother say to call me Harry. Me never tell mommy say to call me Christopher. Me never tell mommy say, mommy, you know, say, me finna Robert. You know say me finna Xavier? No, me never tell me mother that for J. You feel me I did? When me done do for me operation them already, me never need to go under a knife. Me did done go under knife from me young already, my friend. And people will love knife, I go under knife. Yeah, that's what me I deal with. And them the ready. Me now go to my mother and tell my mother say, here what now? Go and go chop on me tip them off of my blood clot chest in the movie and make sure say me take some of the sick them and grow some blood clot chest here. And mommy more and take the blood clot pill them for make sure say my voice deep like for blood clot bounty. Me never tell mommy that G code. Me make everything unfold. When time I was of age, I chose. Me already did know who I am, but me never did need to prove it to nobody. Me never need to chop off no one. Me never need to beat nobody if you accept me. Me never need tell mommy if you go force it down for my blood clot uncle when I like party man. No, you can't force it down. Me never said mommy if you go force down my lifestyle on nobody, you know, my friend. Because at the end of the day, you know, me, they don't know. I remember say, we know this round, we are youth and we are bill and we are holding some friend, operation, them and be things and you say, yo, Ray and Tay, you see me, I deal with. My mother don't know the unfoldment, so I go one because the doctor then done go so boom and tell mommy say, boy, this girl pitney is not really a girl pitney. We have to chop it up and chop it off. You understand? Me I deal with chop off, thumper is no more. You feel me? I deal with this, so mommy have to make a choice, some kind of choice. The choice is going to be a girl because pretty girl is going to have titty. You understand? Me I deal with pretty get titty, you know. You understand me? The doctor them don't know, you know, but here the doctor them tell my mother say them couldn't fight. Them couldn't deal with the hormones because you don't know, say that is not the doctor them forte. A God thing that you see me a deal with. Him and they say them couldn't control if me go fuck man or blood clot woman, so mommy fi just pray for the best. Yeah, they say me pray for the best. Anything will come now, it look like I worse because you don't know some people girl pitney or boy pitney or whatever, half a meal, half a sheep meal, mammal, yeah, that's alligator, mummy alligator, mummy little mammal, you don't know, it ton. Acceptance. You know the way I'm doing the reason why I clear off in my table and that's because I don't want nobody to cut off us and never pack up nothing for my table, my G. Let me tell you what go on now the weird, my G, you want blood clot crackhead. You, my friend, is a fucking crackhead. He's a lunatic. He's a bumbleclad, raging bumbleclad lunatic. King Kong of the bumbleclad jungle. Remember, in a biggest smile, we are telling you, we are not no faggots. We don't fuck jits in the ass and throw them over the bridge. Remember, say him said that, nigga, we don't fuck niggas in their ass. You feel what we are dealing with you? Pray now. So you, as a big blood-clad man, accept so a man gonna fuck your son in a brother? Brother, you walk up and down for the blood clot TV, you accept so a man gonna show me wood in your son mouth. You accept, say, your son gonna suck off some of the cockhead. And you're alright with that. You, the weird is a fucking crack pipe. You understand? You do weird that accepts it. You not get no grand pitney because our man gonna fuck out the whole of your pitney body hole. You dog, you're looking at the whole, the mirror in the, you may know your house big. In the full of mirror. You looking at the blood clot mirror and accept. Say you are called your son when you're Zion, Zanya, you know brother? Brother, you know say you're crackhead youth? Brother, look at me good. Make a raise. Brother, you're looking at the mirror, you know. Accept to yourself, you know. Say you call your 12-year-old blood clot son, you know. When you're Zion, you know. Zanya, you know. Dog, because your son, you know, we are 12, you know, come home from school, you know, come tell you, say, you know, him don't want name Zania, he want name Zaya. Why you never ask him if I want to teach at their school a finger him? Why you did not ask your little son if one of him teach at their school and molest him? Why you didn't ask your little, remember you know youth? Me not call your name. The apple don't fall far from the tree. Your sister feel me, my mama said I'm in a way. So you can't say, you see me because my mother never born as no room for that, you know. You see me born as one like half a meal, mammal, alligator. You see me I deal with reptile. You see me I deal with you, me G. Have one good boy pitney in me G. We can breed some of the girl pitney in, but you're willing for the little peck. I know. For him hood not start grow yet, you know. That the cocky didn't have no grow yet. A little hood that same way, my friend. A little hood that. The hood the little bit. No blood clot man at all. Nah accept him son. A blood clot fuck man. Which man you see in them right blood clot mind I go sit down and say, yo, me I go accept for my 12-year-old son be a girl. You wanna live in a blood clot delusion. I don't want them think you brother you lost. You lost, youth. You lost, brother. I'm not ask you if you lost. Me Why you never take him to go give him some counseling?
That would have been better. That therapy, anything would have been better than them just saying, okay, let's do this. And then promote it.
Yeah, like it's a hot
promoting shit, that's the part that bothers me. I don't care about that. You feel me? I'm still not calling he, she, especially at no 8-12. But to promote it, you going on tour with it, like this is a fucking
advertisement. This is a big blood clot advertisement, my J. Like you go tell other parents, say, one time them look pitting them coming to them house with them fucker. Or if you run up and down with them and tell them, say, yes, them stays of a show. No, Jay. Get down to the meat of the bumbo clock matter and get your pitney some help. Like, talk to the youth, see when you go wrong, see when you go wrong. You understand me, Jay? Me not tell you, say, yo, you don't accept your youth, them, in a bro, God. You have to accept your youth, them, and fear them, you know. But, me, Jay, 12-year-old too young to make them the decision.
The Kardashian husband, how he was in his 50s, 60s, whatever, when he turned himself into a woman.
One time,
even he wasn't sure yet.
He never sure. One time, in with Bruce Jenner, Kylie Jenner, I don't know. What name?
Something Jenner.
Something another Jenner now. He man fuck out the whole time young time with girl pussy, and then when you reach in his 50s, in turn girl. So what you know, you are raw and a raw with your youth at 12 say you want ton girl. You chop off your wood now, turn in a pussy when you reach 20.
Maybe they're listening to the fact that he was sneaking with it. You know, like go out there.
Sneak and do it, blood clot. It's not even that. Accept your youth in your blood clot horse.
No, dressing like a woman.
Dressing like a woman?
Yeah,
He can't
maybe yes, put clothes in the book bag and leave and go. They niggas do that shit when they did. They out in the street dressing like a girl, taking pictures on it, posting on the internet.
Of different profiles.
Yes, different profile. Maybe because like the lady said, Gabrielle went to go get, she wanted to talk to someone about it before, and whoever she talked to must see put that in her ear because that's still a fact that boys do that. They hide and do it.
You see, girl. Deal with rotten down your blood clot pitney tree, my G. You see the whole of your family tree rotten down. With a rotten down fucking thing. You know what me try to tell you now? Because you take a blood clot, bring it on. And bring it on, come on your yard and bring it on to your blood clot and then carry go paint your fingernail them. Bring it on, come on your yard.
You're not painting no fucking nails.
Why? Yeah, yes, man. Why you might bring it down and bring your picnic got blood clot, Miss Chinga do you finger?
And then like you don't even hear him saying not one, not saying he don't have to say anything negative, but you don't hear him saying not one like, oh, son, like, let's talk about this. So he just pushing it on him.
Yo, let me show you a thing. That girl asked me why me, man. Cause appearance like Uno. So my times Uno claim to say Uno support Uno support the kids them so much that you some time Uno support them for the fuckery. You think some my mother influenced this for me at 12-year-old? Because I go to her and tell her that? You think that? My mother try to make me think the other way too. Try to get me help differently for make me don't feel the way me feel. That never work, goodie. What you mean I'm mad? Before you influence a 12-year-old to do something like that, try to get him help first, no? So anything you're picking come blood clot dish out on a platter give you.
You just like accept it.
You're gonna accept it? You're gonna stick it? You're a fucking idiot. What you mean, my man? You're stupid. Because you're not gonna accept when you pick them for do all kind of fuckery. I'm not gonna blood clot accept it. Girl, sit down. Girl, go sit the fuck down. Not fucking mad about the truth.
Go back to the topic.
You see the truth? It's about a 12-year-old. No. I have to address her because most of the people out there like she. People like you. Like people accept that shit. And that wrong with the blood clot world. You think that me or Camille mother did blood clot accept this blood clot lesbian thing, but put it blood clot on the blood clot. Mommy, me a lesbian. Come here. Mommy, I'm a lesbian. And mommy does, yes, Cam, I love you so much, of course. You're a fucking idiot. Them try to make we do the right. Wait till your child is firm enough of them own blood clot mind. When them firm enough to make decisions. That's why when you're 21 and that's the age for your drink. You hear me? There is an age for everything. Decision making for a 12-year-old. So why the age of consent at 18 and 21 then? Why it is you have to be 18 to start fucking then? Why if me as a 28-year-old fuck a 14-year-old, why am I a pedophile then? If you can make decisions, if you are good, if you are alright to do everything at 12, why is it why is it illegal for me to fuck you as a 28-year-old? Because it's illegal, right? So it's illegal for you, for your things you can make your pitney of them the decisions they are 12. It's stupid for you things they are 12, your son can come sit down in front of you and say, hey, daddy, you know, say me know why you call me Steve again. Call me Sheila now. How you gonna feel as a man?
People don't understand judgment.
And a judgment, the opinion.
It's not a fucking
This is how me feel. I remember some dressed like a boy and I tell you that. Me not have nothing against gay people. Me not have nothing against LGBTQ. Everybody have them life. But 12-year-old, come on. What that's 8th grade, right? The 8th grade? 8th blood clot grade. When me in a bumper clot 8th grade, me can't even remember so sick what me do. The same way when me think what time me at 12, I don't think that way now.
When he turns 17, he's not going to feel the same way. Much less think.
I don't feel the same way now. God, for real, right?
Exactly.
What the fuck? Me not even feel the same way I feel when me in a blood class 17. That's a foolishness. Yeah, tell me foolishness. I'm going to be honest with you. That's a foolishness. A 12-year-old can't tell me that. Beg one thing. Or if you tell me that, pussy, you're not even clean your room. Bumble. Man, you're not even get straight A's in a school. You don't even read. You don't even you feel me I deal with? Bumble like you can't even wash up like a plate in a sink. But you want to come tell me now at 12 say a man you want to fuck? Brother, louder. You can't come to me with that. 7th grade. At Jamaica, that's 7th grade.
But he could, so he could be 7 or 8.
Yeah, in America, probably that's the 8th grade. Yeah, different depends on when him start. You can't tell me that, man. Mr. One time me that 17, the reasoning them what me did have at 17, me not have it now. The reasoning what me did have at 12, me not have it now, bro, God. So, one time me go hear on and say, me not sound enough to accept when you pick them, yes. But make them have a firm mind first before you do this acceptance speech. Wait until them big enough, you.
Broadcast shit.
Oh, no, so we can't roast young breadfruit. Because he can't hear.
To the media for what? Is he what the fuck he got going on? He ain't got that going on.
In the play, but
still he need to go do something else rather than promoting and going more about that.
Yeah, it's like you're promoting.
Keep that in the house, to go to council and
man.
Shit like that.
Something
not
like
supposed
that.
To like.
Yeah, man, that too. You're too friendly with it. Like you promote LGBTQ against children. You like you try to put it against the youth them. Make the youth them grow up and make them decision. Make the pussy them grow. No look up at me at 12, not supposed to a blood clot come talk about that. Pussy see me at 18 or 19. You feel me I deal with? See me at 18 or 19. Go to school now.
Exactly.
Go to school. Pussy go to school, I'm to you. Go to school, man. Oh, the fuck do you? That's why some of you them not bright now.
It's a sacrifice. In a way to just put him out there like that. He probably just living through his son. That's
yeah, no, it's not. Some of the rules them want to do for live this blood clot fame and fortune and sell all on the pick them. On sell all on the youth, them youth. Cause look at you sell that little boy.
And then have the nerve to
sell him.
To say the mama don't have anything to say about it. How the fuck his own mom?
His mom have a major in Bibleology. You know what that means? She's heavy in the church. She have a what? Degree in Bibleology. His mother, Zion, the same name, right? The little boy.
What they call him Zion.
Why would you change your little boy name to a girl name?
Already calling him a her. Already
A her.
calling her Zion.
Una said, and the big one them a confuse the world. How una go confuse the world, you know, dog? What do not go tell him that little one day so they can dress up in a battery rider in a house and call themselves girl too?
Yes, because they used to say gay men or people or older people are the ones influencing them. How?
Them need to stop his sacrifice of them little youth here. Because you can't just see it and then sacrifice the little youth. The little youth not rich nowhere yet. Fear come tell us same woman. Me not tell you say people not have their feelings, but that's not something you brawling and brandish. But see your little boy want bum buckler Bibleology. Go and go Google it. I think that's it, right? Yeah, she have a degree in Bibleology. Yeah. They look like that's somebody that don't know what is Bibleology. So go Google it with us. It's a major, you have to go to college to them something. Yes, good. You know college, through me you never reach a them place there. Me ain't not know about it. You see, bro? Yeah. I never know say it exists neither. You see? Yeah. What? Bibleology.
It's a fucking word. Enough people don't know words.
No,
they don't educate themselves.
They don't educate themselves. So sometimes you have to make sure go down stump and then level. You understand me? Bibleology is actually big major. Most pastors that you see in church, they have Bibleology majors. You understand me? That's why they can't hear me if I preach. You understand me? Being a preacher is not just because you know the word of God. No. You have to go to college and you have to get Bibleology and you have to have it down pat on a wall. You understand me? So you can go in a church, go preach.
And more just that one degree.
You understand? So, not just that, you know, but you go against them. I think some of the time, me feel like you're just doing this to make the mother vex. Yeah, but Bibleology in America, them do that. Because I remember in Jaja, all of them they sit there with them, they say when they have them in Jamaica, when they come here, so when I have to dash with them, they get Bibleology. Yeah, I swear to God. Yeah, like you see them, you have to dash them, when you keep them, and you have to dash them, and come right there, so come get what is it? That shit when you left high school. Did it blow up? Yeah, they have you. Yeah, because they can see them really mean answer, you know? Yeah. I must say, I wonder if I just sure that's the American pastor, they're so rich. Got them the Bibleology and the Jamaicans and the other one.
More things than just
fucking
church. They be having all these types of functions.
Yeah, sir. Yeah.
Different things where they make them money.
One of the CXC up yesterday, the SAT, a very different syllabus. Very different syllabus. Syllabus are different. You see it? But for a woman like that with such a stern belief in what God has made for us, this world, you understand me? For a woman who put God's first and put his word first, for a woman who, you understand me, have such a strong belief in God, you understand me, for you to walk around parading around her son like that, I don't, GED. Yeah, baby, GED.
High school diploma and GED, yes.
Yeah.
Well, that's the secondary. If you don't finish high school, you get a GED.
Yeah.
But you can still get a diploma, but it just won't be from a high school. It has to be a technical school if you're of a certain age here.
Like FCC?
Yeah, you can get diplomas there too, but it's not a high school diploma. It's a college diploma, but it's still high school credit. Like you still, it's a course for high school.
For a woman with that strong belief and that woman who is have such a strong major in that particular subject, I think this is a assassination of what she believes in. You understand me? Yeah, man, me think them a kill her belief and yeah, man. Yes, man. Cause remember, this woman believe in such things as God, and the words that this man put down here, you understand what I deal with. And for a woman to have a child like that, and then you have the father and the stepmother, a parade around your child to be as such, you have to hurt.
And she never even said that she would not accept him, but she's not calling him or she.
A him, no, she. And a changing name.
Yeah, she's not doing that.
No.
So, you gotta understand where people coming from.
Yeah, man, you have to understand
that.
that.
You know what I'm saying? Ain't nobody tell him what the fuck to do. But
true.
Being 12 years old and saying, okay, I want to be called she and
no.
I'm not fucking doing that. Well, I'm not. No.
When you come out of my house, me call you that. When you start paying your own bills and do your own thing, I will call you.
It takes a while for some parents to
it's sinking.
But you know,
it will sink.
Eventually it will.
Yeah, but me not call you saying my house and you're 12 and me still a feed you and a clothe you and a give you food.
He must be gonna be living in a completely different world. I mean, they already live in their own kind of world. They only go to their type of functions. They only go to their type of, you feel me, things, whatever. But him being 12 years old and then living in today's society, he's not walking around in Miami streets. You know what I'm saying? He ain't. So whatever he chooses to do or they choose to do, they're gonna have to keep him.
No man not feel comfortable with him boy pick me and come to him with such story. No woman not feel comfortable.
Him being who he is, he probably done seen it all, did it all, been, you know.
Me feel like that.
I feel like people like that, they have done certain things way more beyond just the norm. You know, like they do completely different things that we do, even when it comes to sex or anything. You know, so they accept certain things because certain shit is not. They exceed that. You feel me? They exceed that limit. That's why they just do every fucking thing.
Me just feel like your father want to fuck, man. Yeah, man, me feel like your father.
Probably did.
Gabrielle,
she's the fucking alpha. I'm pretty sure she's more aggressive than, you feel me, him. She seems that way.
Yeah, but me feel like say the stepmother like woman. Yeah, that's them to accepting of this. Yeah, that's me. No real heterosexual couple now just accept that, so. Alright, more me done. Them a fish. That me say. Two of them in an aquarium, G. You see, bro? Yeah, man, because there's no way a straight man just gonna come home, hear him son attack them something and glad for that. You see me? Nah, man. No real straight man. Not glad for hear him son say such thing. You man? That shock you? You feel like you are dead. You understand me? No father. Yeah, but me think say the stepmother more of the long of the lines accept this because she bring him go do nails. Me know one of the father bring him go do nails. I carry him too. You see me? But boy, he look serious. For you know, he barbarous, man. This barbarous. Me I tell you the truth. This barbarous.
Who that was used to wear black not other than
Dennis Rodman?
No, it was another one. It was another one other than him.
All of them boy a body circle them in there. Why you don't sit down and make your son tell you that? Yeah, man. Me box and kick in your blood clot mouth. Let me tell you this, my friend. Me done with them now. Watch out. As much as I want to call me lesbian and this and that, if at one day me and my wife adopt one nice little 1-year-old, one little 1 week old and sitting and I'm for me and him little baby that and sitting, my little son that, he can't come to nobody man in my place, man. You hear that? That the boy that can't come tell me nobody activity in my house. You understand me? I say, me say you feel love girl like how you love your mama. You feel them you deal with, you feel fuck them in a damn hole. Uno nah be more blunt to do no pussy clad pitney them, and that's why them a fuck batty. You hear me I tell you no? Uno fi tell you no boy pitney them fi fuck girl in a damn hole. What the blood clot do no? No boy pitney around me can't come tell me say them a fuck man. You hear that? Go say boy, I barely can hear them no bumbo. Get up what? You can't have no, hey, look at
no, you
me don't study no.
Okay, wait.
You, let me tell you, don't come judge my character about lesbian, this and that. Come and even call myself saying no body activity can go around me and no girl around me, no little girl pitney around me can't come down side of my neither. You understand me? Choose for yourself and don't look out of your eye. Don't use your eye and decide. Use your heart and blood clot soul. Me no want a body man in my house. Boy, you are me no. Me, remember, you know, me name pretty, you know. You see me, done. Me have one little son. Me expect a dog for clocks every day like blood clot me too. You see me I deal with? At 12, me fi come in, come catch a pussy there with weed. Not man with wood in a hole. You idiot.
We all want them, but I think, you know, listen, I think what we put in the universe sometimes comes back.
Come back.
Just like fucking, what's the nigga? I was just trying to tell you, look how much he hate gay people, but his son is a flaming faggot.
Babes, and because they don't raise the boy them right.
You really think that him being who he is didn't
my little brother
put that into him stern like
No, them little boy grow like Yankee a foreign and be a TV and cartoon and PlayStation. When my little brother 12 him a fuck girl who are 18 and me make certain of that. Boy, if you fuck pussy at 12. Boy, if you come home and tell me boy you want to know who the name Batty Wall. At 12, if you come home and see a girl and give your head for me couch.
That's not happening.
Yes, it a go up me in my blood clot house and me house clean.
That ain't happening.
Me house clean, somebody girl pick me to come fuck my son in my house.
No, that's not happening.
Me want come home, come catch me your girl pick me.
Hotel or something.
Hotel? No, that's too much risk for me youth. Me want come home, come see your girl pick me and suck off my 12-year-old boy cocky for me couch. That made me feel glad. Excuse me, I'm sorry. Sorry, I'm a boy.
You have to have discretion.
Sorry, I'm a J.
You got like fucked up. You saying that now.
Bang, 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 bang.
So
oh, your
little daughter, 12 years old, she's supposed to go. You want her to get some dick right here too? Because it has to work both ways. That's how I work. It ain't gonna work that way for you. It's not. It don't work just one sided. No. That's not. It ain't gonna work that way.
My daughter can't play.
She gonna get some dick. That's just what it is.
Come in.
If you feel. That's what the fuck I'm saying. That if you feel.
My son can't fuck somebody else. My daughter can't fuck nobody else. Believe that. Thinking about girl. When me done with that thinking about girl.
I'm taking her to the doctor and I'm making sure she's good enough. She gonna get her some dick then. If you feel.
Boom. You're sickened. You are sickened. Me not raise no dirty girl. Me not raise nothing kid mouth girl.
You cannot be. You cannot be.
Me barbarous. Hear me. Me come in, come catch my daughter. Fuck.
Allow her and allow her to get some dick.
You mash up your mouth back like this. Me, Alim, you must run out of this. You have to run out of this thinking mode.
So would you feel better?
Fuck you.
If it was a girl.
What?
Also, she's supposed to just not get nothing, but your little boy's supposed to get his little rocks off. That's not gonna happen.
Yo, can you diss me?
I don't give a fuck. It ain't gonna happen that way.
My seminary is not thinking about girl.
It's not even about that. They just not supposed to be fucking. That's what I'm trying to say.
Son.
They just not supposed to be fucking. Period. Take your ass to school. You can like whatever the fuck you like, but you ain't supposed to even be. What the fuck? You ain't supposed to be thinking about getting no dick nor pussy. Is what I'm trying to say.
You're not gonna tell me what my son not gonna get it. Cause I'm not gonna Him not to know
that don't mean
it's not an option.
That does not mean
so you thinking my boy, you see Batty?
My mama raised up son, not then one of them like dick. So it doesn't matter, but you ain't gonna be on my own couch.
No. When my son at 12, me a buying him first head. No. What do you? Girl, if you can suck off.
I better keep that a secret.
Suck off my son hood. I'm gonna say, yo, dog. Yeah, when him come out, he's supposed to say, yo, shit, nice. You know, say, yo, me. Girl, whoa, suck off your old boy.
Yes, mom, come over here. Where you at?
Relax yourself. You see me, girl? I want to do man, me Jay. You see me, I do it. Me come home, cause see my thinking about that up on the couch in the boy. She have come out. She and him have left. Me a beat them and show them out because me not run no fuck shop. Me not run on the back road, you know. Me not fuck not selling on my house. Nobody not sell no fuck in my house. My daughter, you know, if I want me a maintain you. If I want me a maintain you, girl, I am the younger man you need.
No!
Thinking about you.
So who's gonna be maintaining the boy? Who the fuck gonna be maintaining?
Me and the girl.
It's not gonna be no double standards. Not in this house. It ain't gonna be no double standards. Because guess what? It ain't. No, whatever works for you. Woman
can't be a junker.
Fuck you. It's working for me. You got me fucked up.
Me come in, cause get my thinking about that. I fuck all a man. Me that's that's why I make sure I raise it. Yes, if you're once and she touch all 4 weeks. Me go always tell her, you see me?
Some fuck.
I am the only man you need. You see me, only man you need. Because Because he getting first crush me and kill that boy. Because he gonna cause problem for me in my life.
How?
He gonna breed my daughter.
But being like that, then they gonna sneak and do it.
Me now sneak on the nut.
They gotta go to, she gotta go to school.
Mama, you know how this? I be a bumbucklad surveillance company in a foreign
area. Look how many kids do shit to take ass whoopings. They don't give a fuck. Kids now, they don't give a fuck. You look how many ass whoopings you took. You did shit knowing that you took some.
My daughter now, my son does not go turn the bottom and say my fuck girl early. Me don't talk.
It's plenty of niggas that got pussy at an early age and still fucking niggas. So what the fuck are you saying?
Because they did a father like Wayne.
Get the fuck out of here.
They did a father like Wayne. They did a father like Wayne and mother like Gabriel Union. They a father like Pretty. They can't fuck nobody.
You ain't a piece of fuck.
I'm poison out your bumbucklad. Once me as my son all in a knock on the body company, me I invite you over the whole of them and cook. And just watch you all of them perish in front of my face. You understand that you kill out in the bumbucklad. You now go come back up my name. Me I tell you that straight. All you as a big man with such a big career, you make your son a batty up your name, G. You understand me? Your name batty up all over the globe right now. Batty surveillance, all about. No boy can call me. Look, boy, yo, you know a pretty ever burn out batty boy, you know. You don't know it's a pretty son. A big faggot. Why? Man a Jenna. Pussy hole. Eh? Me, for show my son the road.
So I will
buy pussy with my son.
That this motherfucker go have.
Me say me buy pussy with my son. And I say, son, this is how you fuck them.
That's why a lot of boys out here just making a whole bunch of babies and they're not around here taking.
Well, at least them on the body man. At least them on the body man. Cause Jesus Christ. At least them on the fish.
Well, how many kids that they have that turn gay because they're not there?
No. And because they ended up mama like Gabriel Union. You understand me? They have mama like Gabriel Union, that's why they turn body man. You understand? Hey, let me tell you this. You see me? My son can't come turn no body boy in my house. If you come on cause he girl give me boy head, three some from
you're not supposed to see that at all. You're supposed to be strict and stern on both boy and girl.
No, I'm thinking more girl will lock up in a fear room.
No.
A girl will get a sentence to do one time come piss you
up. When you do that
up.
to any child, that's gonna make them rebel.
Fuck you,
cannot do that.
Fuck you. One time the day one time you piss it out, hear me to Anna, me a knock it gavel. Me a sentence your blood clot, you know, 19 years and 23 blood clot months, you know, Buddhas. You see, Pre? You see after the 19 years and 23 months there, you free to go. Do what you must. But you see for the 19 years and you belong to me, bitch. You understand what you do with? Every blood clot tick on the top. Thinking about you coming over you. Me know you want to turn whore for me. And that not go on. You want to turn whore for me. And that
doesn't mean that. Why does that not mean that?
You see what girl pretty come out of the money that I got done. That I got done what big on dirty whore.
Y'all make these kids, do you see why kids be killing their fucking self because y'all can't do it.
Go lock up in that room. Like, you remember one time blood clot poker and tested one come out of the room, my father lock him up in there. I hear. She have to grow her ear tall and chew it down the window for the boy climb up on it. Remember?
Exactly. So that's why a child gonna find either way. Is what the fuck I'm saying.
Me say my son not turn no batty man. That's why me make sure say at all 12. Me and him got fuck shop. Me and my son are gonna fuck shop. I would just have fuck two girl. My son gone in our room and fuck a girl over there and I bang the door and I say, hey daddy, me put it in, me put it in. Girl suck off the dog would over there and I said, that's my boy.
That's niggas out here fucking bitches.
But one time you have father like us, some of them like a blood clot boy, like all them like a basketball boy or whatever. Too much man did a slap him up on the body when he was play. And that, you know, them boy I get misled. Because as I'm telling the boy, don't slap me up on my body, dog. A joke thing that. You see me? Yeah, what time they score in our basketball, they squeeze up one another body. Wow, good job. Wow. So now, it feel good to see your son and get him body slap up by other man. That's not look good. That don't look good, brother. You white pussy hole. You and your son feel go fuck two girl in the hole. Fuck your wife, my friend. Sacrifice your marriage for your son. It better for your seed. And your seed you save. Go and go fuck by your wife and bring your son and bust him. Bust the youth. Oh, no, not bust on the blood.
Kobe just died. He just
a two. Why you go bust your son? Make him and fuck some pussy, my G. Make him see say he woulda work. Probably man never get an erection yet. Allow the man to be a man youth. Jesus Christ. Me could have never have one good 12-year-old boy and now make him show me hood in a girl hole. Yeah, a time for your hood go in a girl hole now. Just fuck and enjoy yourself, make you rinse off your wood. Me G, you want to feel all that feel when time girl just a climb up on the willy. You see me, I do slide down on the willy. Hot in my belly, my friend. Me G, you hold your body man tendencies so damn gone. One time you reach up in the glory of Jesus. Shining brighter and brighter. Bumbucklat in the glory of Jesus. When you are the glory that sun shines and chirping birds. Hey, my J, no more the cocky statement, you know, I'm confused. Why you would have want blood clot? You before your son come there, you say, why? I should have popcorn on your father. Make popcorn of it, why you up and box up your blood clot in front of them. You would have known if you come with them this time because a bad man are your father. I chose to look a waste man on your father, I could have gone and say, you know, there's no body talk in a youth. Why am I not in a position for your talk, Shelly? You want me to hang you? Tell me why, Shelly. Shelly, tell me why I'm not in a position for your talk, because I really like you know. I'm waiting for the blood clot giant girl, you know. You see me? Come girl, Shelly, you can't get trim. What you say, Shelly? You are the person who like that. Only tell me why I'm not in a position for say one 12-year-old blood clot boy pick me, no fear get fucking and body hole by an ex-man. Tell me! Giant, come in. Come in thinking mode. What you say? Come thinking mode. What you say? Davidson, all you have a blood clot there, you troll from my blood clot page. Hey, so good girl. Someone who always say on my page and I make all of no comment, they want to reach every blood clot time of my life. Davidson, go and go suck out your mama dog and avoid my bumbo clot life them youth. Cause me didn't hate you like a bum. If me didn't hate you like how you hate me, me don't see you dog. What the fuck you do for my life? You a giant Shelly. Shelly, where you are? Fuck you. Who don't try watch you see me just like blood clot man every body activity you want me to come real up for. Move on the bumbo clot. Me not real up for no fuckery. Suck your mother girl. But me dress the way you be dress because I'm born as a blood clot herb for diet with me little cocky and me should be in your mouth. Suck good girl. How are you? God, you know some would do good for that. You know some disrespect. I'm sorry. Orange juice. My word is my word. You're like a 12-year-old boy and you get some pussy on your hood. Yeah, your son can talk to you about this and they carry him go fuck. You understand me? Bring him go fuck again. Go on, so all I know me see you come talk about say, who don't know if you talk, who don't necessarily mean an adult. I am an adult woman who was born the way I was born, just like a fucking man. I am not a 12-year-old telling my mom that. So, what position you talking about? The one where your blood clot man when I want you put in? Understand me now. How you doing? May I tell you this one? Let me tell you this. Pitney or pitney. Children are children. You feel what me I deal with? You see the day one time Una's parents stop making them being children, and the day they wanna lose as parents. A child is a child. And always make a child remain a child until the day that child is not a child no more. You hear what I said to you, Jane?
Making him make decisions like that. He should,
yeah, man.
After this point, he should be able to come and do whatever the fuck he wants, say whatever the fuck he wants as he please.
Yeah.
Especially allowing him to make a decision like that.
Huh? He was born a boy, and him a little boy, same way. You will make decisions for him same way. He can't even fly out of the country without you. Your son can't even fly out of the country without you. He can't even go out of state without you. So how am I going to make decisions about man fucking him at that age? You hear that, man? Let a child be a child until they are not a child no more. No matter how much we did say we da fuck for we are 12 or so, we never did ready yet, trust me.
Exactly. That's what they have.
No, we did a fuck at 14 and 12. No, we never did ready to start fuck yet. Big man thing. We never mature enough to fuck yet. Maturity is not about puberty or period or none of that. It's about mental maturity. Are you mentally mature enough to know that you really want to be with a man for real? No, you're 12. You're 12. You're 12 years old, you don't know that. You don't even know if you want popcorn or blood clot Snickers at the movies right now. So you just spoil me if you give you both. Because you're 12. You understand me? Children are children. Let them be children. Let the children be children, man. If you say you accept them, yeah. And get them help and make sure that this is what they really want. And not just run up and down with something to your child say. Yeah, mommy, you know I say I want to be Superman. Where you going to throw him off one building and hope him fly? Your son come to you and say I feel like Superman. What you going to do? Bring him up on one building and throw him off and just hope him fly. My pitney feel like Spider-Man. You think webs will come out there and how am I going to make that possible? I can't make that possible. At 12, I didn't want to be a whole heap of blood class sitting. Most of them miss it on TV. The internet, the whole entertainment fraternity is a place of destruction nowadays for children. It misleads them mind. TV, the whole internet, YouTube, everywhere, it misleads our children. You feel what we are dealing with? Them sittings where them think is right, they don't even know what is going on, so I guess it's right. You understand me? So you can't accept it for them. Show them the right way. And if them go behind you being adults and still do it, hey. But no. You're a child. You're going to do childish things. Right now. Big man thing. I'm going to ask if you do that. I tell you. Because I finance you. I take care of you. Do all of that. I'm going to get you some help. Make you realize if this is what you really want for sure. Up in a year, you go. You get your treatment. If you feel how you feel at the end of all of your childhood and when you become an adult, do what you must. Yeah. Not because you have money and your parents have powers you can do what you want or you can mislead. You know.
You think the world would know about that if they didn't have no money? If they wasn't who they were?
Yeah.
Only because why they have money. Why?
True. Because a lot of people look at me and Camille, we are lesbians. Me and Camille have a daughter right now. We will never influence her to be no lesbian or outside or what. None of that.
Regardless of her knowing what she knows we're married. She knows, yes. But would I sit here and be doing, you feel me?
No,
any type
you don't
of
do that sitting there, no.
I'm not going to do that.
Me sit down here, so she the over there, so.
No.
Me not influence nobody youth to do nothing, J. Cole. You see me? No influence no youth, man, because their mind easily
Even, and you know, the crazy part, even if I was in a heterosexual relationship, it would be the same fucking way. You know why? Because you're still influencing a child sexual behavior. Their mind's gonna wonder. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like, I don't let Asia watch no kissing and shit on TV. I don't let her watch shit like that. I don't do that. Why? Because their brain is gonna be influenced. Don't put it on me. But I don't like that shit for real. I don't like that. You influencing a child at a young age. You should try to steer them in the right direction. And if you still see that they're stern on how they feel, you know, try to talk them through it. It's different ways of dealing with shit.
A lot of different ways. And I think they went to the wrong route. That was the wrong route. I think they should have gotten help for the boy first.
They should have.
Like, make him get some counseling.
Or something.
You understand me? Make him see a therapist every twice a week or something. Make him know if this he really want before you parade it all around. Pan down, pan social media.
To have in front of people just to say, I don't know if they looking for, I don't know how much support you fucking need when you are who you are. I'm pretty sure he have plenty of support in y'all community. You get what I'm saying? But to parade that shit around.
No man, that's too much parade in that.
I mean, come on.
Remember on the you was at
Anybody
12.
can call you for an interview, but you don't have to fucking accept it. You don't have to go on these people's show. You don't have to go on social media and do these things. You don't have to take pictures and, you feel me, do this shit and post it. You don't have to do this shit. But
no, but them a do it. Them a do it. Them a shoot. Them a accept it. Them 100 with it. It wrong, dog. You see me? Me not say who want be gay wrong, but if you this a young age of me G on the wrong cross the board, the youth they not chose yet, man. I know him not chose yet, J Code. You see me I did. Me say what I do while we at 12, none of we no remember what we want. Do you? Me no remember.
Only thing I remember is what the fuck I lived. That's about it. What school I was going to.
The fuck?
Who the fuck I was. So many people, that's it.
Yo, one thing me I gotta tell you about life, you know. You have to know how you grow the pitney them. You heterosexual grow fuck up pitney too. Cause heterosexual have pitney, right? So most of them grow them fuck up. You understand the idea? And this is a fuck up. This is poor. A poor blood clot behavior this. Poor, very poor. Accept your children, yes, but to what degree? After you make sure that that's really, really true. Because you have enough people are lesbian today, tomorrow and next week, but next year they want that. They want cocky. Him probably a batty man this year. Next year when he was 17 or when he was 18, he want to breed somebody girl pitney. Because him think different now. Want kids and realize a man fucking him. When he realize a man fucking him, can't give him no blood clot youth. Don't hurt him. Because I know I don't think him understand yet. One time I want a pitney for himself because you think say, I wish I could have get you, I can't have pitney. I wish I could have like one. I not tell you that. Eh? You understand me? Come on, you're 12.
That's what I feel like. I feel like the daddy like.
Yeah, man, yeah, daddy like man.
NBA players and football players.
They get slapped up on their butt.
I feel like the Andrew Hernandez dude.
Yeah.
I feel like he killed that motherfucker just so they went out him because the amount of shit he was hiding.
Yeah,
people, even the first friend, you was dealing with this guy since he was 12 years old.
Yeah, for real. You remember Hernandez? Yeah.
Come on, y'all was dealing with each other as kids. These niggas be gay as fuck for real. That's why they be so accepted to
Yeah, so you gotta accept your youth being a faggot because you deep down probably like men too. You understand me? Because
they even accepting how he feel, but just to embrace it in that way. He's embracing it in the wrong way. I feel.
if me might embrace it too hard, like well want a man. You see me? The man I make those ever head dance, if you did I bat you so enough batting people can come in your hand.
About liking what he likes, but come on. But and then even with that, sometimes I don't understand that because some people they change their sex and still deal with the opposite sex. Or you know what I'm saying?
Them confuse me.
Yeah, it's
me,
very confusing.
One time I go on a knife and me never did even have head. Me never know. Them chop off thumper. Me never go under the knife. Me see girl chop off them pussy and I turn them clip in a cocky and a dry extension. You see me? And I thought they said with a bad. With that. You see, Brie? Me no want to know if it gets stiff or that because with the chemical them are using and them catches it on there. So you know, I'm going to peer off your little boy hood, split it and turn in one pussy, make sure you're sick.
I'm telling you.
You MG, sick MG. Huh? Thugs one, Notorious B.I.G. You know it already. Yardman. Yardman thing. You understand me? Hope y'all have a good day. I hope you enjoy the topic. Bye-bye. Hey, what you doing with all that ass?